Holiday season starts from end of November, and my most favorite part about holiday season definitely has to be shopping. Holiday sales period like Black Friday and Cyber Monday have become a global phenomenon and one of the largest shopping days. So let me share my Black Friday experience and show you my haul of what I got.
So guys, before I start showing you my haul, let me tell you a story of what happened with us on our first Black Friday in Canada and now the tips that I followed because of that experience back in 2019. So हमारा पहला Black Friday था in Canada और बहुत hype थी कि बहुत अच्छी सेल्स रखी है, लोग लाइन अप करते हैं. So हम सुबह सुबह उठ के गए मॉल and the lineups were crazy. Like literally हम पूरा दिन में सिर्फ 2 स्टोर्स के अंदर जा सके थे एंड इवन अंदर जाने के बाद भी इट वॉज सो क्रेजी कि रैक सारे खाली थे, साइजेस कोई नहीं थी, हमें लिटरली कुछ नहीं मिला. आई जस्ट गॉट लाइक 1 पेयर ऑफ सॉक्स और उसके बाद हम थक हार के स्टोर से निकलने के बाद वी जस्ट सेट ऑन अ बेंच कि भाई अब थोड़ा सा रिलैक्स करके दोबारा स्टोर में जाने की ट्राई करते हैं. हम उठे और हम जो है दोबारा स्टोर की लाइन में लगे एंड वही बेंच में मैं अपने वो एक पेयर ऑफ सॉक्स भी भूल गई थी. सो इट वॉज सो क्रेजी एंड इट वॉज सो बैड. लिटरली हमें कुछ नहीं मिला था. जो एक सॉक्स मिले थे वो भी वहाँ बेंच पे रह गए थे और वो भी फिर जब हम दोबारा लेने गए तो वो जा चुके थे, किसी ने उठा लिए थे. सो ब्लैक फ्राइडे की क्यूज क्रेजी होती हैं, स्टोर्स में क्रेजी होता है. सो व्हाट आई डिड दिस ईयर इंस्टेड इसके मैं ब्लैक फ्राइडे से 1 वीक पहले मॉल गई. ठीक है, व्हाटएवर आई वांटेड टू गेट मैंने स्टोर्स जो है वो चेकआउट किए. मेकअप में मुझे जो शेड्स वगैरह मैच करने थे वो मैंने 1 वीक पहले मैच करके रख लिए. एंड देन जब ब्लैक फ्राइडे डील्स आई सो आई ऑर्डर्ड ऑनलाइन. जो भी मैंने मंगवाया मैंने सारी चीज़ें ऑनलाइन मंगवाई है एंड इट वॉज सो मच बेटर देन गोइंग टू द स्टोर. सो ये थी हमारी स्टोरी. सो टिप ये है कि गो टू द मॉल 1 वीक बिफोर ब्लैक फ्राइडे और राइट ब्लैक फ्राइडे पे शॉप करना ज़रूरी नहीं है क्योंकि डील्स एक्चुअली 1 वीक पहले से स्टार्ट हो जाती है एंड ब्लैक फ्राइडे के भी कुछ दिनों बाद तक रहती है. सो जस्ट डोंट फील के जो है ना मुझे ब्लैक फ्राइडे पे ही शॉपिंग करनी है, आगे पीछे के डेज पे भी डील आती रहती है. So that's another tip. Another tip is guys, Black Friday की जो deals चल रही होती है तो वो they send you emails like last chance, now or never, our best prices ever. So don't fall into that trap. Just buy things that you actually wanna buy, right? So don't buy just whatever and don't buy it because it's on sale. Just buy things that you actually want. अच्छा, enough ज्ञान हो गया आज के लिए. So let me show you what I've got. So I've got like some makeup or skincare की चीज़ है and some clothes obviously. So I got this set from Clinique. So I basically ordered this set जिसमें जो है वो there's this Radical Dark Spot Corrector and Interrupter, Fresh Press Daily Booster Vitamin C, moisturizing gel and Even Better Clinical. So मुझे basically ये चाहिए था. Just this Even Better Clinical 30 ml is like about $70 on the website, लेकिन ये मुझे पूरा सेट मिला for $65 including tax. ठीक है, और ये जो है वो मुझे साथ में इसके गिफ्ट्स आए. So this is like इसके अंदर भी कुछ 5 products है which is mascara, lipstick, some gel, scrub and again moisturizing lotion. So I got this for free. Achha, now that we're talking about shopping on Black Friday, so I have one more tip for you guys. When you shop, I don't know if you guys already know about Rakuten, but Rakuten is a website. आप वहाँ पर जाएं and then just search for your favorite store. वो आपको उसी store की website पे redirect करेगा, but you're gonna get like cashback. So whatever I ordered, मुझे जो है वो Old Navy के order पे I got like 10% cashback. So whatever I ordered via Rakuten, and this year only I got about $60 back in cashback. So you guys can actually save a lot of money that way too. What I'm gonna do is in the description box below, I'm gonna link Rakuten. If you sign up through that link, you're gonna get $30 cashback, and you can shop from that $30 as well. So just click the link in the description box below, sign up, and then shop from Rakuten. Okay guys, so something really bad happened. मैं मजे से अपनी वीडियो कर रही थी and I was like ऑलमोस्ट देयर. वीडियो ख़त्म होने वाली थी, लाइक 70% डन था एंड देन मैं कुछ चेक करने आई. आई जस्ट केम टू चेक द कैमरा. तो मुझे पता चला कि कैमरे की तो मेमोरी कब की फुल हो चुकी है और रिकॉर्डिंग बंद हो चुकी है. सो वीडियो आधी रिकॉर्ड ही थी. सो नाउ आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन फोन और मैंने अपनी जगह भी थोड़ी सी चेंज कर ली है. सो लेट मी शो यू द रिमेनिंग शॉपिंग हॉल नाउ ऑन फोन. So this time I wanted to invest in a bit of skincare. So I got this CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. I've heard a lot of good things about this one and Cetaphil of course. So I decided to try CeraVe. The other thing is this Worst Vacation Eyes Brightening Eye Gel. So I got this because my under eyes are getting really dark. So I think it's gonna help. The third thing is this Fit Me Ka blush in the shade Rose. So this one. And I got this Carolina Herrera का perfume set. I love this so much. I got one last year too. ये जो सिर्फ जो परफ्यूम है उसी की कॉस्ट इज लाइक $150 और $155 बट लास्ट ईयर भी हॉलीडे सीजन पे ये सेट आया था, इस ईयर भी ये आया है. सो इसमें जो है वो पर ये भी दिस इज लाइक द सेम प्राइस, इट्स 150 और 155, लेकिन इसमें आपको जो है वो परफ्यूम के साथ साथ जो है वो ट्रैवल साइज और लेग एलिक्सर भी साथ में मिलता है. And the packaging is just so sexy. I like the fragrance of this one so much. I got it from Amazon. So I got this Finishing Touch Flawless Brows. It's a shaver for brows. I sent one of these to my mom like 2 years back and she loves it so much. So this year my sister was like she wanted one too, so I got one for her and one for myself. I usually wax my brows, but मैंने सोचा कि try करके देखते हैं if it's good. Let me show you what I got in clothes. So I saw this sweater in store at Old Navy. I really like the color of it and like the light shimmer that it has. I don't know if the camera is capturing it, but it's got like a really nice shimmer to it. I really loved it in store, so I got it. But when I wore it, I think it doesn't look too good on me for some reason. So I might just return it, but I'm still confused. There are just some tees that I'm gonna wear at home, so just basic tees. Something for tomorrow, of course. Yeah, there was like 50% off on Old Navy on the entire order, so whatever I got was like 50% off. I got this from H&M. So I wanted to have like a brown skirt that I could wear for the Christmas photo shoot that we're going for. Just a skirt, and it has like little shimmer on it. Again, I don't know if the camera is capturing, but it has like little shimmers on it. And the knit top, which is cropped. I was keeping the best for the last. Here's what I got from Zara. I got these beige pens. These are dress pens, but I really like the stitching of it. Like it looks really nice, and it is a little bit see-through, but I really like the length of it because usually I struggle with length a lot. And this was Zara was up to 40% off on Black Friday, so this was actually for $50, but I got it for $30 plus tax. The second item I got from Zara is this one-shouldered top. I'm not really impressed by the quality of it. मैंने इसको website पे देखा था, so I really thought that it's going to be a thick material. और जो ये इसका shoulder का design है, I thought it was gonna be like it would have wires or something. लेकिन ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. It's just basic cotton. But I like the way it looks while I wear it. So I think I'm gonna wear it for the photo shoot because it looks really nice. The other thing I've got are these cargo pens. The way it looked on the website, I expected a different material. It's a bit like dress pens material, but I really like it the way it looks on me, especially the length. Item is this dress. Now again, this dress looked so different on website and on the model, but it's just cotton. I really like the puffy sleeves, and I like that it looks really different. But the problem is whenever I have to wear it, I'll have to iron it before wearing it, and I hate ironing clothes. So I'm not sure if I want to keep it. I like it how it looks on me, but for the ironing part, I'm not too impressed with the fabric. I like it, but I'm just like not liking the ironing part, so I will think again if I want to keep it or return it. Just let me know your suggestions in the comment section below. And yeah, that's it for my shopping haul. Now